Hi there, this is Debbie Fox reporting for Channel 7 News, and today I'm here live in Hyde Park in London. Now, as you can probably see, it's very windy indeed, and it's seriously messing with me hair. It's gale force winds. Now, I'm hoping that I can find some members of the public to chat about the subject of the weather, especially this very strong wind. And I'd just like to get people's opinions about what they think's causing it. Is it caused by natural? Is it a natural occurrence? Is it just the weather, or is it something a little bit more sinister? Well, that's what I'm here to find. That's what I'm here for, to find out, to see. Whoops. It's pretty deserted in this park at the minute, like. But I'm sure there'll be someone coming along. Oh, here's someone now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes. I wonder if I can just have a few words with you. Yeah, okay, no problem. Hey, it's a terrible day, isn't it? The weather's serious. Yes, that's what I'd like to talk to you about. So as you've noticed, it's very windy today, and it's really messing with our hair about, isn't it? Do you like it when it messes with your hair, the wind? No, I bloody hate it. In fact, I wish I put my hat on now. It's this bloody wind, I tell you. Yes, same with me. What's your name, by the way? My name is Lizzie. Pleased to meet you, Lizzie. Now, my name is Debbie Fox, and I'm with Channel 7 News. Channel 7 News? Oh, I don't think I've got that. Is that only available on satellite or something? Yes, it's only available on satellite. Not on cable. I think it's on some cable companies, yes, as well. Oh, well, it's not on mine. Well, you'll have to phone up your cable company and see if they can add that to your package, Lacey. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think I'll try that. Anyway, I was saying about the weather. Do you think that this strong wind is just the way the weather is, and it's just a natural occurrence? I'm not sure, actually. I've looked into chemtrails a lot on the internet and stuff, and to be honest, I think that chemtrails might have something to do with it. You know, because they spray the skies with chemtrails from planes, and some people think it's to poison the population, you know, for population reduction and stuff. Oh, population reduction, Lacey. Yes, if you go on YouTube and you type in chemtrails, there's millions of videos about chemtrails and what people think they're there for and why they're spraying these things in the sky. Yes, well, you might have a point there, Lacey. I was going to bring up chemtrails. So do you think that chemtrails are something to do with HARP? They're using chemtrails in conjunction with HARP. It's a big field full of antennas which is based in Alaska, and they fire these powerful beams of radio waves into the sky and blast holes through the ionosphere. Yes, that's right. I've read up about HARP, and I think that they're using HARP, like you've just said, to modify the weather and create hurricanes and even earthquakes and stuff all around the world, because they fill the sky full of aluminium particles, you see. This is what I've been reading anyway, and this makes them able to send the beams from HARP further around the world and cause more havoc with extreme weather conditions that they create. Well, hey, you're very informed there, Lizzie. You've been doing your research. You could be right, because the last 2 days there's been no chemtrails in the sky here. And today, the sky's absolutely covered, well it was earlier, with chemtrails. And it just so happens that it's blown a bloody hurricane today. So you might be right, Lizzie. Yes, I think I am. You never know with these evil sons of bitches that are in power of people in the country and the world and stuff, do you? You just never know. That's right, Lizzie. Whoa! It's getting windier, isn't it? There's a tree over there. It doesn't look too sturdy, does it? No, it doesn't. I hope it doesn't fall down. God, this is seriously a bad hair day. I should have put more lacquer on in hairspray. Yeah, I agree with you, Lizzie. I should have done the same thing. In fact, I've got quite a bit of lacquer on mine already, but it's still blown all over the place. You know? Yeah, well, but I'll watch, we might get blown into the middle of next week if we're not careful. Yeah, that's true. God, this is like 85 miles an hour or something. Yeah, I haven't got anything on to measure the wind speed, but you might be right, it doesn't seem too far off, does it? No, it doesn't. Anyway, is there anything else you'd like to say about chemtrails and in the weather, Lacey? Well, I think they should stop spraying chemicals in the sky because it's not doing anybody any good. It's not doing the health any good, that's for sure. No, it's not. See, Channel 7 News, Lacey, is one of the few channels that isn't controlled, and we can tell the truth about what's really going on in the world, you know. Oh, that's good. That'll make a fresh and change, won't it? Yes. See, if you watch Sky News, CNN, BBC, or even Alex Jones on the internet and stuff, they're all controlled, you see, by the powers above, the powers that be. But we've managed to get a little channel going that's not controlled, and we can see what we're like, and we can tell the truth about what's really going on. Oh, this is quite a revelation, Debbie. It's quite a revelation. I never thought I'd see the day. Yeah, you know, see, not everything's controlled, you know. My channel's certainly not. Well, I just thank you very much, Lacey, and I'll let you get on your way before you get blown into the middle of this week. Yeah, because I've got to go to a hairdresser's appointment as well. Oh, sorry, hope I haven't kept you. No, it's alright, it's fine, you know, I've still got time yet, I'm not late or anything. Oh well, thanks for chatting to her, and, when will I be on the telly? Will I be on the telly? Yes, you will. If you watch, it should be on from tomorrow afternoon sometime. If not tomorrow, it'll be on the next day. But I haven't got the channel. Oh yes, that's right. You said you haven't got this channel. Oh dear. Is it possible you could send us a recording of it? Well, we don't usually do this, but I guess we could make it. We could do this. You know, we could send you one, I suppose. Just for this once. But I'll need your address. If you give us your address after we've stopped recording, because we don't want all the viewers to know where you live. We don't want you having strange men turning up outside your house and stuff, you know. Yeah, that's right, I don't want any strange men outside me house. I had enough trouble with my ex-boyfriend harassing us. Oh, yeah, I had a similar problem, but we'll not go into that. Anyway, I'd just like to thank you, Lacey, and I will send you a recording, okay? Okay. Alright, thanks. Right, you just go and stand over there and wait there, and once I finish this piece, I'll take your name and address so I can send you the recording of yourself on the telly. Okay, thanks very much, Debbie. Oh, you're quite welcome now. You're really welcome. Right. Oh, somebody else is coming. I'll just stop these and see if they'll talk to us. Excuse me. Are you talking to me? Yes. Are you? Hey, would you mind talking to the camera for Channel 7 News for a few minutes? Not take long, not take up too much of your time. Okay. Oh, that's great, thank you very much. Now, my name's Debbie Fox. Hello, Debbie. Hi. How are you doing? Well, I'm not doing so great because this wind is terrible. Yeah, you're not kidding. I mean, it's just seriously messing with my hair. Yeah, same here, Debbie. My hair's... Well, it's not too bad at the minute, but it's blowing all over the shop. Yeah, that's true. It's terrible, isn't it? Yeah. Right, what I'd like to talk to you about is this weather, actually. Oh, I see. Yes, it's extremely strong winds, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's very, very strong winds. I hate wind. I really hate it. I hate wind. Alright. Well, me and you've got something in common then, because I can't stand the wind myself. Anyway, what I'd like to ask you is, do you think that this is a natural weather occurrence, or do you think there's something more sinister going on? What do you mean, like? Well, like, have you heard of chemtrails? Chemtrails? No? What's chemtrails? Well, chemtrails are basically these white streaks that are left behind from planes in the sky that spray them. A lot of people think it's just the exhausts off the airliners, you know, being left in the sky. Oh, I've seen them, yeah. Well, basically, they're not the exhausts off the airliners. They're chemicals which are being deliberately sprayed from spray nozzles on the wings and stuff. Really? I'm quite shocked, actually. Never heard of this before. Yes, they're spraying poisonous stuff into the atmosphere, and they do it several days a week. I see. Well, anyway, what I'm saying is they spray stuff like barium and aluminium and God knows what else, and a lot of people believe that they're spraying this to poison people, reduce the world's populations and stuff, and also to modify the weather and create like weather like this, for example, where it's really windy and stuff. Oh yeah, that's I never thought of that before, like. Yes, so basically what I'm trying to say is there's also this contraption in Alaska called harp. Harp? Isn't that a musical instrument? Yes, it is, but this is something entirely different. You're confusing us, Debbie. A lot of information in such a short space of time, you know. I've only got a small brain. Yes, I know what you're saying, but just bear with us. Now, basically this device in Alaska, they fire these high-powered beams up into the sky and blast holes through the ionosphere. The ionosphere! What's that? It's like a bit like the ozone layer, but it surrounds the Earth to protect it from stuff and what have you. Oh, right. Oh, I think I get you. Right, so what they're doing is they're blasting these beams into the sky, and they send it all over the place. They can pretty much send it anywhere, you know, where they want to send it, and they can make bad weather happen there and stuff. Oh, I see. Yeah, that sounds bad. That sounds very bad. Don't like the sound of this. Yes, so do you think it's possible that they could be doing this and modifying the weather using chemtrails and HARP, which stands for High Altitude Auroral Research Project, apparently, and like I say, it's in Alaska. Well, you know more than me, Debbie, but I have seen quite a lot of these trail things you mentioned in the sky here and there, and I think it looks a bloody mess, to be honest. I think it's wrong. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Totally agree with you. Now, so do you go along with the idea that possibly they could be modifying the weather, because the last 2 days the skies have been clear and there's been no chemtrails here, but then today there's loads of chemtrails and it's like a blowing a gale, you know. So it is starting to look like it might they both might be tied together, you know. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. Oh yeah, well, I'm fully willing to go along with that, yeah. Because some of my friends have been talking about chemtrails and stuff, you know, and they think it's dodgy, well dodgy in fact. Oh, well, at least you seem a little bit enlightened there. What's your name again? Your name's Chrissy. Oh, Chrissy. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for talking to us for Channel 7 News, and that's all I need. You can go now. Alright, it's been my pleasure. Thanks very much. Okay then, see you later. Ta-ra! Bye. Right, well that went okay. At least I got 2 people to talk to about the chemtrails and then this gale force wind. And if you're wondering why I'm jumping up and down like this, like a lunatic, it's because I'm dying to go to the toilet. Right, so this has been Debbie Fox reporting live from Hyde Park in London, talking about these gale force winds and chemtrails. So I'll see you next time, where hopefully the weather's a little bit better than it is today. Because me bloody hair's had enough of this. It's enough taking its toll on me hair. I was only at the hairdresser's yesterday, and look at the state of it now. Dear me. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, everybody. And over to you, Frank, in the studio. Bye bye. Ta-ra. See you later. Bye. 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 Ta-ra.